gracing the event with your presence. And now I would like to welcome the one and only legendary artist, Mr. Prabhakar Kolte ji, the artist of the show. And we just applause to him. And also I would like to welcome the curator of the show, Mr. Johnny Emil. For lighting the lamp, I will request Mr. Vinod Bhardwaj to just please come forward. Mr. Vinod Bhardwaj. Mr. Prabhakar Kolte, sir.
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Johnny Emil. And artist Kumar Vikas Sen.
सब फोकस लगाते हैं
Please enjoy the show. Have a good evening, and we will have few words from Mr. Johnny Emil, the curator.
Thank you for forgetting, because I was trying to escape from that. The man of the day, he doesn't need any introduction. Prabhakar Kolte. There is only one Prabhakar Kolte. When I want to say a few words about the show and about the artist, suddenly I remember one Jonathan Livingston, the Seagull, Richard Bach. You must have read it. The same author, Richard Bach, who has written a book called Illuminations. This Jonathan Livingston, the Seagull, is a seagull, it's a bird. One day he decided to fly, and he flew. He kept on flying, and one moment he found himself, he is in paradise. An earthly bird which cannot reach paradise without some divine mediation or something. But his own effort, he didn't know that he kept on flying and he reached paradise. Whenever I think about Prabhakar Kolte, I remember this bird, because Prabhakar Kolte has been painting, and today between him and the canvas, there is nothing. He could do anything. If you look at this huge work and that huge work, you could actually see how he has become a shamanic performer. You know, shamans, the ritualistic performers who are possessed by the divine forces, the spiritualists, who used to mediate between the higher forces and the normal, ordinary human beings. And we have, whenever we lack words to explain works of art, explain painting, explain art in general, we think about spiritualism. We borrow words from spiritual world. But here it is not like that. He has literally become a Palokian shaman. And when I witnessed this work, making of this work, he was literally playing on it. And Paresh is a witness, and some couple of other people. And what exactly makes an artist go on like this and make his hallmark? Whenever you see a painting like this, you invariably say it is by Prabhakar Kolte. And that is one of the greatest achievements that any artist on the earth could achieve. Prabhakar Kolte has it. Sometimes Sir forgets, people, the locations, occasions, and things like that. But at that time, you just show him, sir, canvas and color. Then he comes back to his own senses. And welcome, sir. It is a great occasion, and all these people have come to see you and your art. So we are just impediments between you and them. So I humbly withdraw myself. Thank you. And one more thing, Tina actually requested everyone, whoever wants the catalog, please leave your number or email ID. We could send you the digital catalog. You know, because we couldn't get all the catalogs in one bundle here, one lot here, so we won't be able to distribute, but you will be getting the digital notes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Paresh. Thank you.
I would like to finish my words in short. I don't see and paint, I paint and see. That is my belief, and I have been doing that. Painting is not outside me, it is within me. And it should be within you if you are a painter. And I always tell my friends and those who are painting that don't see and paint, you paint and see. And then you will learn what exactly you are doing and you will recognize yourself. The recognition will take you further. This is what I mean. Thank you very much. Thank you.
अब यहाँ ज़्यादा सा हो गया
ठीक है आप
बिल्कुल, लेकिन सर एक बात है, आपसे मिलने एक बार मैं आऊँगा।
जरूर आइएगा।
कॉल किया पता लगा कि
बच्चा बोल रहा था कि मेरा सोनीपत कहाँ रहती है, मैं तो सर्टिफिकेट का मेरे
कैसे हैं आप?
काम आएगा वही बताया आपका काम देख रहे थे आपका भी बात
ये मेरे दोस्त है, इसके लिए गया हम।
अभी नया प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करना है ये अभी मेरा स्ट्रक्चर का और उसके बाद
You take them, no? चलो
द बेस्ट सर.
वंडर.
Keep on painting, writing on art, and discussing with my students. Yes, I use. I just discuss. I just
Russian artist.
yes.
You look like him. Facial expression, yeah. He was very good similarities.
ठीक है. I'll come very well.